So today I'll be doing an unboxing video of the Summit 50mm wastegate. Seemed like a pretty good deal, so I figured I'd try it out. I've just opened it up here, but paper on how it's hooked up. Packaged pretty good. You got the vacuum adapters and everything here. The V-band. And looks like some more adapters. Some block offs and stuff. And the wastegate. This is definitely the biggest wastegate I've had. I had a 44mm wastegate on the Civic. That was pretty big, but this thing's next level. I believe it's a 2-inch exhaust dump. Looks really nice. I believe it's a 7 and 14 psi spring, but I may be wrong. I may be thinking of another one, but I believe there's 2 springs in it. Yep, that's about it for that. If I put it on, I'll let you guys know how it works and the install and everything like that. So